shit.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Warren County, northern Hunterdon County, Morris County, northern Somerset County, southern Sussex County until 11:30 p.m. At 10:24 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms. These severe storms extended from Millbrook to Hackettstown to Bloomsbury, moving east at 35 miles per hour. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Callipin and Bud Lake around 10:35 p.m., Newton and Long Valley around 10:40 p.m., Succossana and Lake Mohawk around 10:45 p.m., Ogdensburg and White House Station around 10:50 p.m., Rockaway and Peapack and Gladstone around 10:55 p.m., Lake Telemark and Far Hills around 11 p.m. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, report severe weather to local law enforcement or to the National Weather Service. Severe thunderstorms produce winds of more than 57 miles per hour or hail 1 inch or larger. This line of severe thunderstorms has a history of producing wind damage in Northampton County. Do not stay outdoors. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Sunday evening for northern Delaware and northeastern Maryland and New Jersey and eastern Pennsylvania.